Hello everyone, this is Shamila from Kanya Crafts and Creations, and today I would like to introduce you to our latest import. It is the Icraft box scrapbook, and this is a ready-to-use scrapbook template which comprises of 3 sets, and each set has 9 parts to it. So if you buy this little kit, you'll be able to get 3 albums out of it. That's what it looks like, and then this is what you get. So you get a black set, a white set, and also a craft set. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to assemble them, and it's not hard once you know how. So I said they come in 9 pieces, and each piece you'll see has a specific spine. Well, I call it a spine anyway. They come in varying widths, and this one is 1.5 inches, and you can see these two are the same size, so they are also 1.5 inches, and then it goes progressively down to 1 inch, and then a 1/2 inch. Okay, I've already put on my double-sided tape to save time for this video. Okay, we'll start with the 1.5 inch pieces. Okay, so this is my first video, so I hope you are going to bear with me. You would line it up right on that fold line. This fold line here would line up with the edge of your base. Stick it down, and then you fold in on the score lines. You usually score towards the bubble side, if you don't know that from before. Okay. And you can use your own discretion as to how you are going to stick yours down. Okay, so that is the two 1.5 inch pieces. Now we go on to the 1 inch pieces. I'm just going to flip it, which makes it a little bit easier for me to manage. Okay, so I'm putting this on the opposite side. And try to score them as you go along, or fold the scores as you go along. Oopsie, I forgot my bone folder, but I'll do that later. It just makes it easier later on when you actually add your pattern paper. And the next one. So we're placing them right next to the score line. If you place it on the score line, you won't be able to get that neat little fold there, okay? Okay, so just to give you an idea of how that's going to work, that will fold in like that. Oops. That one goes in there, that one goes in there, goes there, and it's already starting to look like this. I find it easier to fold it so I can see the score line, and then just place it next to that score line there. Okay. Next, we're going on to the 2 longer pieces, which are also These ones are 1/2 inch wide. Oops. Fold, fold, fold. Other side. Fold, fold, and then the last piece. And you can use your own discretion as to how you want to place these. It's entirely up to you how you want to assemble it, as long as you follow the rule of the narrowest margins or narrowest spines on the inside and the wider ones on the outside. Okay, so there we go. That's the one piece. This long one folds in like that. Let's see, let me just get that score line going here. Okay, so that one goes in here. This one goes in here. That one goes there. And then we come in with our 1/2 inch pieces. The 1/2 inch pieces. Then the 1 inch pieces. And then finally your 1.5 inch piece. And there's your box. I hope this was beneficial. If you are interested in getting these, they are currently available from our store in Cape Town. We are very happy to ship nationwide. And you can contact me, Shamila, on 082 444 6477. Thanks so much. Bye.